Greg is a very, very capable young man. He's very, very bright, and I consider him a friend. And he's a real joy to do a lot of work with. And thank you, Billy. I just read your note. What was great was that I was like, hey, listen, Greg, if I pay for gas this weekend, would you be my guest and help me do this comparison? He's like, dude, hell yeah, count me in. So he brought his girlfriend Kylie with us, and I had my 8-year-old daughter Natalie, and we rode the Cowie and the Sea-Doo all weekend. And it was really funny because he's like, he says, the more time I spend on this thing, I like it, the Cowie. You spend a lot of time on the SD3 on the GTX. But he's like, man, I didn't really get to spend a lot of time on the Cowie. I've only spent maybe 5-10 minutes. That's an understatement, but he's only got to spend a few minutes on the Cowie. And he was, I really didn't like it. And I said, why? And he goes, oh, I hate the seating position. And I said, well, did you move the seat back? And he looked at me. He's like, you move the seat back? And I go, yeah, that's like one of the big things about their ErgoFit seat. That's what they call it, is ErgoFit. And he was like, no. So I unbuckle it and I move it back. I'm like, dude, you're like 5'10", 5'11". You're not 6'2". And I bring the bars up one notch, and he's like, oh, so much better. The rest of the weekend, he's like, this thing's great. I was like, really? He goes, yeah. He says, I don't like the interface. He goes, I don't like the interface and how you have to go through the dash screens and things like that, which was fine. He liked the sound system. He hated the front storage opening, but everything else he really liked. Loved the hull. He says, man, for a big 3-seater, it really gets up and goes. He says, hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.